Welcome. In this episode, we are unboxing an Alphacool water block for the Gigabyte Vision NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090. We will show the installation of the water block onto the Vision's PCB and into a custom loop water-cooled system. This is the Vector Network, and let's begin. The Alphacool Aurora Acryl GPX N Eisblock water block for the Gigabyte Vision RTX 3090 is a total conversion custom cooling solution. The water block is packaged in a black bubble mailer. Opening the wrap reveals a nickel-plated copper water block with a clear acrylic top that incorporates the black rubber O-rings into the front design. The instructions include color pictures and diagrams to follow for the installation. We start by peeling off the plastic film on both sides of the thermal pads and placing them directly onto the water block, one by one. Then we apply some thermal paste to the processor to ensure full contact with the nickel-plated copper water block. Next, the RTX 3090 PCB is placed directly on top. Next, we start with the 4 main screws around the processor. After that, we will install the backplate by first applying all the backside thermal pads, making sure to remove the plastic film from both sides. The backplate is then placed directly on top of the PCB and secured using the remaining metal screws. The Alphacool Eisblock water block is made out of 5.5mm thick nickel-plated copper and consists of high-density cooling fins. These fins are positioned over the GPU to maximize surface area and thermal transfer. In addition, the water block has a fully transparent flow path, which is achieved by its acrylic top plate. With the acrylic top plate, the coolant is clearly shown and allows for the RGB lighting to reflect off the water block's nickel-plated copper construction. In this build, we are using the ready-to-use Corsair HydroX Series XL8 performance coolant in clear. Next, part of the leak test is filling the loop entirely with coolant. It starts with filling the reservoir with coolant and then turning on the power supply with only the pump connected. We turn off the pump once it pushes most of the coolant out of the reservoir. Then add more coolant and repeat until the reservoir stays completely full. Now we have a system that we can put under high computing load, whether it's maxing out the computer processor or graphics card or both at the same time, and because of the custom loop, we can expect all the components to stay exceptionally cool, even while running the fans at a relatively low speed, making the system also exceptionally quiet.
Like the video by clicking the like button. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is the Vector Network. Please click on the bell for a notification when the next episode airs. Click on the links here for more videos, including one dedicated to the studio that produces this content. Thank you, and I'll see you at the next episode.